I've got my Ipsy OG. So if you want to see which selection I made, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out next to me. He could get barky any moment, and Dexter and Chloe are in the other room. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so I have been, and I don't know if this is a beta testing thing, because some of you told me last month you only got to select a product, not a collection. So I again got to select a collection. So instead of selecting one product, you can choose bag 1, bag 2, or bag 3. So I believe I screenshot those, and if I did, they'll be in there right now, covering my face, so you can see what the 3 selections I had to choose from were, and we're going to go over which one I selected. Now, I don't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I selected it for one particular item. So first we have the Kokie Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter. Now this looks to be full size. This is an 877 Rosy. It's a $6 value. Yes, this is full size. Kokie is a brand that you can find at your local pharmacy or drugstore, wherever you call it, where you're at. I'm going to open that up for you, but I'm not going to swatch it. It does look very, very lovely. And it's kind of a rose metallic shade. It's a highlighter, and it's a subtle glow that gives you more of a lit from within look. So really nice. Next, from Pink Lips Cosmetics is a brush that I chose, and this is a $14 value. So I mean, I've already got between the 2 items, my bag is paid for. This says it's a setting powder makeup brush. I usually use a much bigger brush for that. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and it says that the soft, fluffy bristles pick up and diffuse setting powder. Okay, oh, it's got a neat little shape on the end. If you're seeing that, there we go. Next, by Tatcha, is a sample size of the Dewy Milk Moisturizer. And Tatcha is Clean Beauty. It's a fast absorbing moisturizer, delivering a lightweight hydration while keeping shine in check. So skin looks bouncy, supple, and comfortably dewy. So I did get the full size of this in my Ipsy Extra. So I'm going to put this aside. You know, when I give people gifts or I do giveaways, I like to just, like, on top of the stuff I plan to give them, throw in like little samples here and there of things that, you know, they may want to try. I give full sizes too, but I like to throw in a few samples. Next, by Real Her, this is a lipstick in a travel size, and this is in the shade Bold, which is a peachy pink, and it's a $22 value just for this little mini. Look at how cute that is. I remember when you used to get this kind of stuff for free though. So very cute. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or pass it along. I rarely wear lipstick. I usually just wear a little bit of a gloss or something like that. So I'm going to just set that aside. And then the star of this show is the Danessa Myrick Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flushed in Rose and Brunch, which is a neutral rosy pink. So this is all sealed. Look at how cute this is. Look at how cute this is. I'm not going to swatch this because I also have this in full size that I've been using. Otherwise I would have kept this and taken the full size, and because I have so many of blushes and stuff like that. So if I hadn't already used it, I would definitely keep this one and gift the other one, but I'm going to put this back in the box for someone else to use. So I know it seems like I'm not keeping anything in this bag, but the thing is like sometimes it's nice to have these little extra things to throw into gift bags or gifts or giveaways, just to have like a little extra for somebody to try some different stuff, particularly if I get somebody and I'm doing a giveaway and they prefer skincare. I like to throw in some of the little makeup items so that, you know, maybe if they're going out, they have like a little makeup item that they want to try. Something that's kind of a universal product. And the same like when I'm putting together these gift boxes that I do for my sisters and my niece, I like to just like fill them up. And I'll usually like fill up Ipsy bags with all kinds of little goodies and samplers for them. So that's kind of fun too for me. So the bag design, again, super cute, silky on the outside, has this pretty little pearl. And I do keep these kinds of bags. I give some away, but I keep them in my purse. So I'll have one for like hand sanitizer. I have one for gift cards. You know, so I'll kind of keep specific things. I'll have one for my lippies. In this way, instead of having a big mess in my purse, I can just pull out the pouch with my stuff. One time I was at a cash register and I had my gift cards in there from Kohl's. So I had this in my hand because the gift cards were in there and the lady was like trying to ring it up. And I'm like, no, this is my bag. Like, look, these are all my gift cards in here. I don't know why she thought it was a Kohl's item, but she did. So I do use them all the time. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite? Again, mine was that Vanessa Myricks, because I just think, you know, that's so neat to give to somebody or to use, you know, particularly if you're not like a big makeup person. This is a great way to try some stuff out. I will tell you the full size of that is $27. So it's a nice little kind of add-on thing. And there were 2 full-size items in here too, which was nice. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.